Hi guys, you are watching Hyper at Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can set up the hypervisor over Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine. So it's a built-in feature. You have to go inside the control panel, click on that, click onto the programs, then program and features, then turn on programs, and then you will have an option of hypervisor, and then open it and then check mark it, and then you have to click OK. So it will take a little while and it will be set up. Wait for a second. So it's asking to restart the system for proper installation. So I'm going to restart it, and I'm going to stop this video, and once the system up, I will resume this video. So machine is up now. So now we have to click onto the start menu, then hypervisor manager, and then in order to create a new virtual machine, then we have to click onto the new option, then virtual machine. Then we have to give it name. You can give any name. Let's say I'm installing CentOS, and hit next. Then we will go for the generation first. We will keep this option same, and because the second option is related to the UEFI, so we will select the first option and hit next. So this is the testing machine. So I am giving the 1 GB. You can give 4 GB or 8 GB depending on your capacity. Then we will select the default switch. We will select the same source from which we are getting the IP over the physical system. So we will select the same source. Next. Then we will create a machine. Next. Then create a virtual machine. Since we are creating a new machine, so we will have to select a new machine. If you have any existing virtual disk, you can attach that, but in our case it's a new system, so we have to create it. Hit next. We will attach a media or ISO later on. If you have any media, you can attach at the moment. You can select that, select from here, and you can do that, but I'm not interested in the current time, and we will attach the media later on. So install on operating system later. Then we have to hit next and then finish. It will take around 5 to 10 seconds, and machine has been created. So you have to click onto the settings, then click onto the settings. Now you have several options. You can select your processor range. If you want to increase the processor range, you can select from here. And if you want to change any adapter setting, you can change from there. You can check the VLAN ID. Let's say if you have multiple VLANs in your network, so you can attach with that as well. And you can click onto the memory. This is your RAM, and you can increase your memory as well whenever you want. And so these are all about the settings: network, memory, and processor settings. You can change out that. In case, let's say if you install the machine and it requires more resources, you can allocate that resources. After, you have to shut down the machine and you have to allocate the resources, and then you have to restart the machine. So finally machine is ready. I already told you regarding the settings as well. So now it's time to connect the machine. So it asks you to start, because right now we didn't attach any media, so we have to click onto the media, DVD disk, and then insert. I don't have any media, but in your case definitely you will have a ISO, either Ubuntu, Windows, or any type of ISO, server ISO or voice over IP ISO like Isabel. You can connect that ISO and hit open, and then start. The installation will be started. So I hope this video is very informative for you guys. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye.